Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be showing you how it is that you can easily sign up to get started with Google AdWords. First thing that you'll do is just simply type in Google AdWords into the search engine, and once you click on the top link there, you'll find yourself looking at this page. After you fill in your email address and your password, just simply click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll be looking at this page right here. This is where you're going to be able to just set up your time zone and then your currency preferences. For right now, we're just going to leave it as United States and the dollars, and we'll just simply change our time zone to the Mountain Time. Alright, now I'll just click Continue. Alright, now that we've set up the currency and the time zone, now we've just been sent a little message saying that our account has been created and that we're ready to go. Now all you have to do is just click right here on the Sign into your AdWords account, and from here what we're going to do is learn how we can create our first campaign. Well, creating a campaign and getting started on Google is really easy. In fact, you can see right here they've already listed out the 4 different steps it is that you're going to go through. You've got choosing your budget, creating your ads, and then selecting keywords to match your ads, and then entering your billing information. So, first thing, just click on Create Your First Campaign. Alright, we're just going to scroll through and select different buttons that we need to. For instance, on the bidding and budget, we're just going to let it be automatic. And for right now, our daily budget, we're just going to list that as $10. So that's going to be around $310 per month. Then we've got some ad extensions that we could actually look at here if you were interested in doing any of these. You've got location, site links, or phone. If you'd really want to link those to your account, then you definitely can. Now we'll just click Save and Continue. Alright, so now we're on this page. This is where you're going to create an ad and then add some keywords into it. As you can see, what we've done already is gone through and give you some suggestions on how it is that you can create a better ad. And we actually have another video that's going to specifically talk about that later on. So here's just the gist. You're going to want to make sure that you have some type of an intriguing headline that stops the reader and gets them wondering or wanting to read more. In your description, you're going to want to make sure that every word is capitalized and that there's call to action. And then finally, the display URL. Make sure if you can to pick a good display URL or at least pretty it up. For instance, in this one, we are able to capitalize best URL and then also product. Whereas in the actual destination URL, it's probably all just going to be lowercase. Now coming down to the keywords section, this is where you just fill out some keywords. Remember, it's important to keep the keywords in a theme, and then have that theme relate to the ad, and have the ad destination URL send people to what it is that people are finding when they type in that word. So for instance, our theme is water bottles. We've got water bottles, 16-ounce water bottles, jogging water bottles, 24-ounce water bottles, and clear water bottles. So when our ad shows, it's going to be important that it has a headline that has to do with water bottles, a description that has to do with water bottles, and then when the ad is clicked, that it takes them to a page on our site that is talking about water bottles. Now one thing that you'll see is that underneath our keywords here, we have some brackets and we also have some quotes. This is just distinguishing between the different types of matching that you can do with Google. The brackets represent exact match and the quotes represent a phrase match. And we'll also go over that a little bit later. So just as far as the sign up steps go, that's all the information that you'll have to fill out. Now you simply just click Save and Continue. And then you'll land on the account setup page. Simply just select the territory that you want to go to. In most cases, or at least our case, we're just going to select the United States. Click Continue. And now just simply fill out the business information. Once you've got all your business information filled out, you'll be ready to go. Alright, and now you just simply fill out how it is that you'd like to pay and fill out the payment information. And once you've done that, you just click Continue. Alright, that's it. We've gotten everything set up. Now if you're looking at the home page, this is the kind of the dashboard area that you're going to be able to look at. And then you've also got up here the campaign section tab. You can click through here, and this is going to give you more information about how your ad is performing, or if you want to rename things, or if you want to change things around. So here, for example, is some of the keywords that we're bidding on, and we've also got the ads that we have created for it. And if you ever want to change up the settings, and they're just right in here. Well, that about does it. 4 easy steps to get things going with your Google AdWords account. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you next time.